Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade hummus without tahini. First, gather your simple ingredients. 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas, fresh lemon juice, a couple of garlic cloves, good quality olive oil, and some cold water. For that creamy texture usually provided by tahini, we'll use a small amount of a neutral nut butter, like cashew or almond, which adds a wonderful richness without overpowering the flavor. Now let's get blending. Start by adding your drained and rinsed chickpeas, minced garlic, fresh lemon juice, and your chosen nut butter into a food processor. Begin to process these ingredients, then slowly drizzle in about 1/4 cup of olive oil and 2 to 3 tablespoons of cold water. Continue blending for 3 to 5 minutes, scraping down the sides as needed until the mixture is incredibly smooth and creamy. Achieving the perfect consistency and flavor is key. If your hummus is too thick, add more cold water, 1 tablespoon at a time, until it reaches your desired creaminess. Taste and adjust the seasoning. You might want more salt, a dash of black pepper, or even a pinch of ground cumin for an extra layer of flavor. Don't be afraid to experiment a little to make it truly yours. Your homemade hummus is now ready to enjoy. Transfer it to a serving bowl, create a small well in the center, and drizzle with a little extra virgin olive oil. A sprinkle of paprika or fresh parsley makes a lovely garnish. This delicious dip is perfect with pita bread, fresh vegetables, or as a spread in sandwiches. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.